I'm Sanjna Suri and I'm an actress, an ex-beauty pageant winner, and an ex-pharmacist.
Can you briefly explain your condition to us?
So I suffered from a condition called Deviated Septum, and so that means that my septum is actually deviated to one side, and so common symptoms that people with this condition have is like frequent flu, sinusitis, facial pain.
The reason that you decided to get surgery done?
Well, sometimes it's so bad that it impacts my whole day that I find difficulties even going to work. I can't focus because the pain is so bad. I get headaches from it. And I can't remember the last time that I woke up being able to breathe from both noses. It's usually one that's always blocked. So now that it was a good period where I had some time off, I know that the surgery will have some downtime and I'm frequently shooting or I need to be in front of the camera, even if it's shooting for TV or even just on my social media. But now that I have the time off, I thought it was the best time for me to actually get this done with once and for all.
Why did you choose Beverly instead of our competitors?
Okay, honestly speaking, I actually visited a few because I wanted to speak to them and to understand. But when I went to a few clinics and hospitals, to be honest, I got the most confidence when I spoke to the doctor in Beverly, that's one. And number two, their price point is surprisingly not too bad. I expected it's going to be like a bomb and I could never afford it, but it's actually pretty reasonable. So it was the confidence that I have in the doctor after speaking to him and also the price point. And definitely the status and stature of the condition.
What was your experience like with Beverly?
So Michelle has been just the most hospitable person I've ever met. She made everything so simple. She knew I was nervous because it's my first surgery and it's on the face, so you can imagine like, this is my job to be in front of the camera. If it's done, it's done. So she was throughout very affirming. She always gave me like hope and like, so I don't get so worried. So that was really nice. And she was, although she's very busy, she frequently kept in touch with me to make sure that everything is okay. So that has been amazing.
And what was your experience like with Dato Dr Jalil?
I think he's one of the coolest doctors I've ever met, I swear. I was doing so many research on septoplasty because I was so nervous. And when I speak to him, he's very chill and very okay with everything. At first I had my doubts, but when I followed his ways, it worked. So, and I'm seeing the results as well. I can breathe with both noses again. He's very, very chill, which is good, and it's what you need if you're a nervous person. And I'm sure everyone who's going through a surgery would be nervous. So